Hello students, in this video we will learn from question numbers 13 to 17 of exercise 10.3. Question number 13, if A vector, B vector, C vector are unit vectors such that A vector plus B vector plus C vector is equal to 0 vector, find the value of A vector dot B vector plus B vector dot C vector plus C vector dot A vector. Since it is given all the three vectors are unit vectors, then its magnitude will be equal to 1. So we can write it as given magnitude of A vector, magnitude of B vector and magnitude of our C vector will be equal to 1. We already know that magnitude of A vector plus B vector plus C vector, the whole square can be written as A vector plus B vector plus C vector dot A vector plus B vector plus C vector. If you find the dot product of these two and if you simplify, you will get magnitude of A vector square plus magnitude of B vector square plus magnitude of C vector square plus 2 into A vector dot B vector plus B vector dot C vector plus C vector dot A vector. And it is given that A vector plus B vector plus C vector is equal to 0 vector. So, since equal to 0 vector. So, since our A vector plus B vector plus C vector is equal to 0 vector, its magnitude also will be 0 only. So if you substitute here in the place of magnitude of A vector plus B vector plus C vector the whole square, you will get 0 square. 0 square is nothing but 0. So which is equal to, we already know all the three vectors are unit vector. So its magnitude will be 1. So magnitude of A vector square is 1. 1 square is 1. And again magnitude of B vector square is, so 1 square is 1. Magnitude of C vector square is 1 square. So 1 plus 2 into our A vector dot B vector plus B vector dot C vector plus C vector dot A vector. Now we can simplify this one. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 into our A vector dot B vector plus B vector dot C vector plus C vector dot A vector. We have to find this one, A vector dot B vector plus B vector dot C vector plus C vector dot A vector. So we can take 3 to other side. So plus 3 will become minus 3. Minus 3 is equal to 2 into this one, vector dot B vector plus B vector dot C vector plus C vector dot A vector. And our A vector dot B vector plus B vector dot C vector plus C vector dot A vector will be minus 3 by 2. Question number 14. If either vector A vector equal to 0 vector or B vector is equal to 0 vector, then A vector dot B vector is equal to 0, but the converse need not be true. Justify your answer with an example. Here it is said, if either A vector is equal to 0 or B vector is equal to 0, then A vector dot B vector is equal to 0. Then its converse need not be true means, if you are taking A vector dot B vector is equal to 0, then either A vector not equal to 0 or B vector not equal to 0. We are going to take an example of two vectors, that is let us consider two vectors, that is two vectors such that their dot product is equal to 0. A vector is equal to 2i cap plus 4j cap plus 3k cap, and our B vector is equal to 3i cap 3j cap minus 6k cap. Now we are going to find the dot product of these two vectors, that is A vector dot B vector, which is equal to 2i cap plus 4j cap plus 3k cap dot, our B vector is 3i cap plus 3j cap minus 6k cap. We'll find the dot product now. 2 dot 3, 2 into 3 plus 4 into 3 plus 3 into minus 6. 2 into 3 is 6, 4 into 3 is 12, and 3 into minus 6 is minus 18. Now 6 plus 12 is 18, 18 minus 18 is 0. So we got A vector dot B vector is equal to 0. Now we are going to check magnitude of A vector and magnitude of B vector. Magnitude of A vector is equal to root of sum of squares of the scalar components of A vector, that is 2 square plus 4 square plus 3 square, which is equal to root of 2 square 4, 4 square 16, and 3 square is 9. 4 plus 16 is 20, and 20 plus 9 is 29. So root 29 we got for magnitude of A vector, which is not equal to 0. So our A vector will be not equal to 0. And also we are going to find magnitude of B vector. Magnitude of B vector is equal to root of 3 square plus 3 square plus minus 6 the whole square, which is equal to root of 3 square 9, again 3 square 9 plus minus 6 the whole square is 36, which is equal to 9 plus 9 is 18, 18 plus 36 is 54. So root 54. Magnitude of B vector is root 54, which is not equal to 0. So our B vector will be a non-zero vector. B vector is not equal to 0. Therefore, the converse of the given statement need not be true. Question number 15. If the vertices A, B, C of a triangle ABC are 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 0 and 0, 1, 2 respectively, then find angle ABC. And the angle ABC is the angle between the vectors BA vector and BC vector. First, we will write what is given in the question. What is given in the question is the vertices of the triangle. So, the vertices of the triangle are of the triangle ABC is given as 1, 2, 3 minus 1, 0, 0 and 0, 1, 2. These are the three vertices of the triangle given in the question, and also we are given with the angle ABC, which is between the vectors BA vector and BC vectors. Also it is given that when angle ABC is the angle between BA vector and BC vector. So we already know that the angle between two vectors A vector and B vector is nothing but A vector dot B vector is equal to magnitude of A vector into magnitude of B vector into cos theta. Here the angle is angle ABC and the two vector is A vector and BC vector. So our formula will be like this: A vector dot BC vector is equal to magnitude of BA vector into magnitude of BC vector into cos angle ABC. Now before finding dot product of these two vectors, first using these 3 points we will find the vector BA vector and BC vector. First we will find BA vector. This is our point A, B and C. BA vector is equal to, here B is the initial point and A is the terminal point. So 1 minus 1 I cap minus 1 I cap plus 2 minus 0 j cap plus 3 minus 0 k cap. If you simplify this one, minus into minus plus, so 1 plus 1 is 2 I cap plus 2 minus 0 is 2, so 2 j cap, and 3 minus 0 is 3 k cap. Similarly, we will find BC vector. BC vector is equal to, here B is the initial point and our C is the terminal point. So 0 minus 1 I cap, 0 minus 1 I cap plus 1 minus 0 j cap plus 2 minus 0 k cap minus into minus plus, so 0 plus 1 is 1 I cap, plus 1 minus 0 1 j cap, plus 2 minus 0 is 2, so 2 k cap. We have found BA vector and BC vector. Next we have to find the dot product of these two vectors. So BA vector dot BC vector is equal to 2 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap dot, our BC vector is I cap plus j cap plus 2 k cap. We will find the dot product of these two vectors, that is 2 into 1 plus again 2 into 1 plus 3 into 2, which is equal to 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 1 2, plus 3 into 2 6, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 6 is 10. So our dot product of BA vector dot BC vector is 10. Next we will find magnitude of BA vector and magnitude of BC vector. Magnitude of BA vector is equal to root of sum of squares of the scalar components of I cap, j cap and k cap of BA vector, which is 2 square plus 3 square, which is equal to root of 2 square is 4, again 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9. 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 9 is 17, we'll get root 17. Similarly, we'll find magnitude of BC vector, which is equal to root of plus 1 square plus 2 square, which is equal to root of 1 square is 1, again 1 square is 1 and 2 square is 4, is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 4 is 6, we'll get root 6. Now we'll substitute in the formula, that is BA vector dot BC vector is equal to magnitude of BA vector into magnitude of BC vector into cos angle ABC. Our BA vector dot BC vector is 10. Magnitude of BA vector is root 17 and magnitude of BC vector is root 6. Cos angle ABC. Now we are going to find angle ABC. So angle ABC is equal to cos inverse of 10 by root 17 into root 6. Root 17 into root 6 is root 102. So we can write cos inverse of 10 by root 102. This is our angle ABC. Question number 16. Show that the points A 1, 2, 7 and B 2, 6, 3 and C 3, 10, minus 1 are collinear. That is, we have to show magnitude of AC vector is equal to magnitude of AB vector plus magnitude of BC vector. If you show this, then these 3 points are collinear. So we'll write given points are 1, 2 comma 7 and B 2 comma 6 comma 3 and our C 3 comma 10 comma minus 1. Using these 3 points, we will find AC vector, AB vector and BC vector. First we will find AB vector. AB vector is equal to, here the initial point is A and terminal point is B. So 2 minus 1 I cap plus 6 minus 2 j cap plus 3 minus 7 k cap two minus 1 1 I cap plus 6 minus 2 4, so 4 j cap plus 3 minus 7 minus 4, so minus 4 k cap. You can rewrite this one as I cap plus 4 j cap plus into minus minus 4 k cap. Similarly, we will find BC vector and AC vector. BC vector is equal to, here the initial point is B and terminal point is C. So 3 minus 2 I cap plus 10 minus 6 j cap plus minus 1 minus 3 k cap. 3 minus 2 is 1 I cap. 10 minus 6 is 4 plus 4 j cap. Minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4 plus into minus minus, so minus 4 k cap. And our AC vector is 3 minus 1 I cap plus 10 minus 2 j cap plus minus 1 minus 7 k cap, which is equal to 3 minus 1 is 2 I cap plus 10 minus 2 is 8 j cap minus 1 minus 7 is minus 8 plus into minus is minus, so minus 8 k cap. Next we will find magnitude of all these 3 vectors. So magnitude of our AB vector is root of 1 square plus 4 square plus minus 4 square, which is equal to root of 1 square 1, 4 square 16 and again minus 4 square also 16. 16 plus 16 is 32 and 32 plus 1 is 33. Root 33. Similarly, we will find magnitude of BC vector and magnitude of AC vector. Magnitude of BC vector is equal to root of 1 square plus 4 square plus minus 4 square. Which is equal to 1 plus 16 plus 16, which is again root 33. Next, magnitude of AC vector is equal to root of 2 square plus 8 square plus minus 8 square, which is equal to 4 plus 64 plus minus 8, the whole square is 64. Now 4 plus 64 is 68 and 68 plus 64 is 132. 132. Root 132 we can write it as 2 root 33. Magnitude of AB vector plus magnitude of BC vector is equal to root 33 plus root 33. Root 33 plus root 33 is 2 root 33. So if you observe magnitude of AC vector also 2 root 33. Therefore magnitude of AB vector plus magnitude of BC vector is equal to magnitude of AC vector because both are 2 root 33. So the given points are collinear. So the given points are collinear. Question number 17. Show that the vectors 2 I cap minus j cap plus k cap, I cap minus 3 j cap minus 5 k cap and 3 I cap minus 4 j cap minus 4 k cap form the vertices of a right angle triangle. That is, we have to show magnitude of AB vector square is equal to magnitude of BC vector square plus magnitude of AC vector. We are given with the position vectors, so we will write OA vector is equal to 2 I cap minus j cap plus k cap, and OB vector is equal to I cap minus 3 j cap minus 5 k cap, and OC vector is equal to 3 I cap minus 4 j cap minus 4 k cap. Using these position vectors of the points A, B and C, we are going to find the vectors AB vector, BC vector and AC vector. AB vector is equal to OB vector minus OA vector. OB vector is this one. So 1 minus 2 I cap plus minus 3 minus 1 j cap plus minus 5 minus 1 k cap. 1 minus 2 is minus 1, so minus I cap, minus into minus plus, minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 j cap, minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6, so minus 6 k cap. And similarly we will find BC vector and AC vector. BC vector is OC vector minus OB vector, that is 3 minus 1 I cap plus minus 4 minus minus 3 j cap minus 3 j cap plus minus 4 minus 5 k cap, which is equal to 3 minus 1 is 2, so 2 I cap minus into minus plus 4 minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1 j cap minus into minus plus minus 4 plus 5 is 1, so 1 k cap. And AC vector is equal to OC vector minus OA vector. OC vector minus OA vector, which is equal to 3 minus 2 I cap plus minus 4 minus 1 j cap plus minus 4 minus 1 k cap. 3 minus 2 1 I cap into minus plus, minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3 j cap, minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5 k cap. Now we will find magnitude of AB vector square, magnitude of BC vector square plus and magnitude of AC vector square. That is, we have to write without roots. AB vector whole square is equal to minus 1 square plus minus 2 square plus minus 6 square, which is equal to minus 1 square is 1, minus 2 square is 4 and minus 6 square is 36. 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 36 is 41, is equal to 41, and magnitude of BC vector square is equal to 2 square plus minus 1 square plus 1 square, which is equal to 2 square 4 plus minus 1 square is 1 plus 1 square is 1, 1 plus 4 is 6, and magnitude of AC vector square is equal to 1 square plus minus 3 whole square plus minus 5 whole square, which is equal to 1 minus 3 square is 9 plus minus 5 square is 25. So 1 plus 9 is 10, 10 plus 25 is 35. Now we will add magnitude of BC vector square and magnitude of AC vector square. Magnitude of BC vector square plus magnitude of AC vector square is equal to magnitude of BC vector square is 6 plus magnitude of AC vector square is 35. 6 plus 35 is 41. So we got magnitude of AB vector square also 41 and sum of magnitude of BC vector square and magnitude of AC vector square also 41. Magnitude of AB vector square is equal to magnitude of BC vector square plus magnitude of AC vector square. Triangle ABC is a right angled triangle.